the aircraft at the gate, and the seatbelt sign overhead is turned down. When that sign is switched off, you may stand and move into the aisle. Please use caution opening overhead bins. We ask that you give your seating area a thorough check before leaving. Make sure you're getting off of the smaller items, particularly the ones you're finding left behind, like cell phones, tablets, passports, eyeglasses, and power cords. If you're making a flight connection here in Atlanta, please check the information screen as you enter the terminal. All connections are posted on the overhead monitor. If you're not through with terminals E like Echo, we're arriving at gate E32. And everything is to the right from here at gate E32. Once you hit the center of the concourse, turn right to go down the escalator to the train for all other terminals and baggage claim. If you have further questions, an agent will be in the flight. We'd like to say thank you for traveling with us to Georgia. We do appreciate your business. On behalf of Delta SkyTeam Partners, we are serving you from St. Thomas. I certainly hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend and wish you all a very pleasant good night.